Good evening. I'm Adam Berry, and tonight we have day 1 of the Letting Go into Sleep meditation series. Let's begin by lying on your back with your hands on your thighs or by your sides. You can change position anytime you need to in order to make sure you're more comfortable, but start by lying on your back for now. Breathe deeply in and slowly out. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take slow, calm breaths and allow yourself to feel your breath help relax you. There is nothing you need to do right now besides breathe calmly and allow yourself to drift, relax. Feel yourself becoming sleepy, ever so slowly getting sleepier. You might have thoughts about things you did today, or things you need to do tomorrow. Perhaps you are worried about something or someone. Now is the time to clear your mind for sleep, so that tomorrow you will be refreshed and strong and can handle your duties and roles. Allow your body to relax. Feel your shoulders sinking into your bed. The muscles ever so slowly releasing their hold, releasing their grip. Your legs are still and they're starting to feel heavy. Maybe you notice your feet are very warm, and allow the warmth to spread up your legs as they become warmer as well. Feel your arms sinking into your mattress. They're getting heavier as you begin to feel yourself sinking more and more into the surface you are lying on. Sinking deeper, deeper. Your whole body is feeling very heavy. Feel the warmth in your hands growing warmer and warmer as it spreads up to your arms, and your hands and arms and legs and your whole body is very heavy. In Shakespeare's Henry IV, Part 2, sleep is described thus: O sleep, O gentle sleep, nature's soft nurse, how have I frighted thee, that thou no more wilt weigh my eyelids down and steep my senses in forgetfulness? Why rather, sleep, liest thou in smoky cribs, upon uneasy pallets stretching thee, and hushed with buzzing night flies to thy slumber, than in the perfumed chambers of the great, under the canopies of costly state, and lulled with sound of sweetest melody. Feel your attention drifting as you become sleepy and calm. For the next few moments, you can choose to focus on counting and become more relaxed as each number passes through your mind. Allow, O gentle sleep, to come towards you. Allow yourself to be nursed softly by nature. Keep with your counting slowly as you begin to time the breath with your numbers. Keep counting, counting with each breath. Relaxation growing with each number. Sleepy and calm. You're not able to focus any longer. The numbers are blending together. Losing count. You're now too sleepy to count. There are no more words you need to focus on. Enjoy the relaxation now and allow yourself to drift off into pleasant, deep sleep.